Okay, so for today, I'm working on a 2004 Honda Civic. I'm going to check if which one of these cylinders have a rod knock. Pretty much a rod knock is when your vehicle's like running and it makes like a knock noise, similar to this type of noise, right? Maybe lighter, but as soon as it's a constant at idle, it makes this type of. And then when you accelerate, all right. So what we're gonna do is, well, what I did already is I took up the coil packs off and I took the cover off, right? Took all the spark plugs out, checked the gap and it's okay, right? They're not fully burnt up. Maybe the boots are bad, but we'll see that for later. I believe this is a 19 millimeter half-inch drive. So in there's a little entry where you could put your 19 millimeter socket to your crank pulley or your crank bolt, whatever you want to call it. And this vehicle turns counterclockwise. All right, it goes this way. So you got to turn it that way. Or is looking at the point of view of a driver is going, counterclockwise when you're looking at the crank. Now you want to, I wish I had some help, but your goal is, we're trying to check for a cylinder 4, right? What I'm gonna do is rotate the crank counterclockwise while checking for the screwdriver to go upwards. My goal here, there we go. My goal is for that screwdriver to go up. I got pulled up tape marker. See, that'll help look at it. Oh yeah, that'll work. Okay, there's top dead center and bottom dead center. When the piston goes all the way upwards, top dead center goes all the way up. Downwards is bottom dead center. So as soon as the screwdriver goes all the way up, that's top dead center. And when it goes down a little bit, it's going towards the bottom dead center. Just go a little bit bottom dead center, not all the way in. And then what you want to do is push the screwdriver down just a little bit, not too much, just down, a little bit of pressure, and hear for a noise, clicking noise or some play, and that will show that your connecting rod bearings are going out or actually are worn out. But I suspect this cylinder is the victim right here. So let's do that right now. Up, that's going down. All right, it's going down. Wait, one here is for a clicking noise. Nothing there. Let's check this guy. Pretty sure he's the one that's making all that noise. All right, I'm gonna go upwards. That's cylinder 3. Okay, that's good. There you go. Going up. Going up. And going down. That's top dead center right there, but yep, I think it's this guy right here. So this is for that noise. Put it right next to the camera. Next to the cylinder. I'm gonna push it down. Ready? You heard that clunking noise? It means that rod bearing is worn out from that connecting rod down under the oil pan on the lower block. I'm gonna post a video showing how to fix it. For now, just at least make it run for a little bit longer, at least for a year or longer, who knows, right? But yeah, you know this guy's a victim. This rod bearing is very bad, so most likely these are bad or worn out, but most likely the bearing on a connecting rod is just worn out. So for that, either you don't want to get your hands dirty, take it to a shop, get it fixed, take the engine out, get it rebuilt, spend thousands of dollars, or get a new engine, bought 3Gs, or get a used one for about $1,000 in at a parts store. You know, it's up to you what you want to do. But making that clunky noise, who knows how long it has to live, right? Okay, that'll be it for this video. I'll probably post another video how to actually do that fixture. Pretty much not the best fix out there, but it's to, you know, save some money. You know, some people just don't have that much money to work on it, so it shows a little bit, you know, saves a little bit of money. All right, so that'll be the end of this video.